Hello CBSE administrators. After the CBSE circular yesterday about DigiLocker and the PIN required for students to access their results and documents, one of my subscribers requested in the comments that I explain what DigiLocker is and how to download the PIN. As part of it, you must have gone through the circular which says results are likely to be before or after 12th May. So in this video, I'll explain the entire process. As you all know, DigiLocker is an app provided by the Ministry of Education that allows students across India to access their results and academic documents like migration certificates, mark sheets and academic credits. Not only that, all important academic documents or records are securely stored in it for easy access anytime. This is called DigiLocker, and I am going to explain the entire process of using DigiLocker and downloading the security pin through CBSE school website and credential. I will tell you. Let's get started. Okay. As soon as results are declared, schools must complete the process of providing DigiLocker accessing security pins to all the students without delay. CBSE has instructed all school managements to download and share the 10th class result accessing security pins using their CBSE school credentials. Students can then use these pins to access their mark sheets, migration certificates and other academic documents through DigiLocker. So this is the very important circular everybody should know. Okay, let me make it more clear. First step is students have to download the app and sign in with their mobile number and Aadhaar OTPs. So this is the first step. And second step is schools will provide the school code and result security pins. So this is the second step. And third step is using this pin and code, students can download their certificates themselves. So this is the third step. So if you follow all these steps, you will easily access your documents. Okay, now I'll tell you how to download the result security pin. So where to download it? This is for school management, school administrators. I'll tell you the step-by-step process. As you see on the screen, first go to CBSE website. First go to CBSE main website. Then you will see Pariksha Sangham option over there. Click on it. It will direct you to another option. You need to open school DigiLocker post-exam activities. There you will see 10th class security pins and 12th class security pins as well. So whichever you want, you can download and provide these pins to students. They will access them. This is how you do the entire process of downloading security pins and providing to the students. Thank you so much. If you have any doubts, ask me. I'll definitely explain you. Thank you so much.